Hey everyone, in this video, I'm about to show you how to use the Zangi Messenger app. First, launch the Zangi Messenger app on your device. To register and start with Zangi, accept the privacy policy. Now tap the register button to get started. Next, tap continue to allow permissions to send notifications and media. You can set up your profile by adding a profile picture and name. Tap continue and enter the password you want to create. Make sure to enter a strong password for safety purposes. Next, tap continue and it will give you the Zangi number in case you lose access to your account. After that, swipe right to review all the features of this app. Zangi can automatically sync contacts from your phone's address book. Tap on a contact from your list to start a conversation. Type your message in the chat box and send it. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.